Good morning everybody on Auto Car Nerds channel. Hope you're all having a great day. I myself are having a wonderful day because my Mercedes-Benz actually works. Still need to get a tune on it, but other than that the actual car legit works. It is actually quite cool. So the only problem I have now is that I have a ton of oil in the exhaust which I need to clean out, but except that it works great. This Friday I'm gonna get it retuned by a company in Sweden called AMG Tuning. We first thought was that we're gonna go with Klima, but they wanted quite a lot of money, so I skipped that. So yeah, this is just a normal day of Auto Car Nerd, cleaning my car. I've been waiting for 3 months to do this. Magnificent. That put it running on its own power. Here in my garage. I'm getting a real sample of these that are ready to replace. Other than that, it seems okay. Oh my god, it works, it actually works. And we got a yellow Volvo here, he's gonna... Oh my god. Ah, så man! Han funkar, ryker det mycket? Ryker den? Yep, it works. I'm gonna clean it. It's gonna be, I mean, the feeling you get when you have a car and it's broken and now it works and you're gonna clean it, best feeling ever. Oh my god. The only annoying thing is that I get quite a lot of smoke when the engine is, or the exhaust is hot, due to the fact all of the oil, like I said. And then I have to get the car remapped because the car is boosting too much basically, and I have, before the car was mapped with 550cc injectors, now I have original injectors which are smaller, so the car is not getting the amount of fuel when you're pushing it. But other than that, it's magnificent. Battery is dead, but yeah, the car is clean and we're buying an M5, so that's pretty much this video. There's nothing more to add. Messy.